Assalamu alaikum. In my last video, I looked at different cooking appliances where the oven was the most expensive to run. Well, it's almost unavoidable to stop using the oven to cook meals, but we can make some quick changes to save money by not preheating the oven, by cooking several dishes at the same time, so by making the most of the oven's capacity. Avoid storing baking trays inside the oven while cooking, as this can block the airflow and use more energy. By using glass or ceramic dishes, as they retain heat a lot better than the metal dishes, meaning that you may be able to cook slightly at a lower temperature, and a lower temperature means a lower energy consumption. Try to avoid opening the oven door repeatedly, so preventing any heat loss and wasting energy. Try to avoid putting tin foil at the base of the oven, even though it sounds like a great idea in catching dripping fat or sauces that bubble over the side of the dish, as the reflective surface of the foil actually disrupts the heat distribution within the oven. And not only this, it may obstruct your oven's fan, reducing its efficiency. Try to turn off the oven 5 to 10 minutes before the food is actually cooked. Allows the residual heat within the oven to cook the rest of the food. Also, defrosting your food thoroughly before cooking in the fridge rather than the oven, and keeping your oven clean will save you both energy and money. Remember, this information is all free, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment or follow Conscious Bites Dietitian.